shot the sheriff and I slipped it loose. The law ain't never been a friend of mine. I would kill again to keep from doing time. You should never ever trust me.
Hey there, Watson. So who did it?
I thought we had this premises secured. Who allowed this guy in?
No, sir. There must be some misunderstanding. I'm here to assist you. You're an officer, Zainuddin. Today is my first day at work. Huge Sherlock fan, sir. I thought I would really get my head in there.
Well, let's get your head in there.
Police detectives do not wear uniforms, but they often wear business casual options, typically with slacks/jackets depending on the season. Wearing a concealed firearm is also required for the job. Protective equipment includes goggles for protection, hairnet and gloves to prevent crime scene contamination, and booties to maneuver around geographically diverse terrain.
Mr. Zain, how about you just observe for today? After all, that's what the job is all about.
Investigators initially locate the focal point of the scene, the main area of disturbance. This could be a ransacked bedroom, the area where an attack occurred, or the room in which a victim was found. Radiating out from that point, investigators establish an area that is sizable enough to likely contain all relevant physical evidence that may be present. It is easier for investigators to condense the size of a scene at a later point than to discover that sensitive evidence outside the scene has been damaged or destroyed by other responders, media, or onlookers. In addition, potential paths of perpetrator entry/exit are identified. Safety is of paramount importance during the initial approach to the scene. Weapons, biohazards, chemical hazards, and even intentional traps could be waiting for responders. According to Locard's exchange principle, every person who enters or exits the scene will add or subtract material from the crime scene. So it's crucial to quickly secure the area. To control access, the scene may be cordoned off with yellow crime scene tape, cones, or by other means. In addition, a common entryway is often established that all crime scene personnel will use to enter and exit the scene.
Who was it then?
Let's find out what was it first.
Before collecting evidence, investigators must first develop a theory regarding the type of offense that occurred. Knowing the type of crime will help investigators anticipate the evidence that could be present. This may require gathering information from witnesses or persons of interest. Based on this information, the crime scene team will develop an evidence collection strategy taking into consideration weather conditions, time of day, and other factors. Additional forensic resources may also be requested to handle special situations.
Well, what now, sir?
Well, now we find out the who.
An initial survey of the scene is then conducted to prioritize evidence collection. During this walkthrough, the lead investigator will identify potentially valuable evidence, take notes, and capture initial photographs of the scene and the evidence.
No.
But all we done now?
A crime scene is never the same beyond the initial scene.
Collection of evidence also entails detailed documentation with digital and video cameras, or, if available, a 3D scanner. For some situations, sketches and diagrams are also created. During the evidence collection process, it is crucial that the crime scene investigator follows proper procedures for collecting, packaging, and preserving the evidence, especially if it is of a biological nature. Biological evidence can be destroyed or damaged by weather conditions. Individuals can inadvertently contaminate it, or it can be overlooked entirely if alternate light sources are not used to inspect the scene. To make certain that all evidence is accounted for, an inventory log is created. The descriptions recorded into the log must match the photo of the evidence taken at the scene and the description included in the crime scene report.
Alright, Mr. Watson, who do you think it is then?
Looks like we're gonna wait for the next video to find out.